Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel BL The Short and Sweet in Chemistry. Now I am going to focus the name of inorganic compounds which are necessary for class 10, also in higher class, and that are very important in chemistry. And now in part 1, part 2, part 3, I have explained the monovalent cation and the monovalent anion, that is part 1, monovalent cation and divalent anion, part 2, and part 3, monovalent cation and trivalent anion, how the different compounds are formed from the cation and anion. Now in part 4, I want to show the compounds with divalent cation and monovalent anion. Now we will see divalent cation. The compound is formed by the combination of cation and anion. Cation is called basic radical because it comes from base part, and anion is the acid radical which comes from acid part. Now here divalent cation, the basic radical having the charge +2. Compound cations +2 charge, that is called basic radical here. And now here group 2 metals generally are having +2 charge. Magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. These are the elements present in group 2. Generally group 2 elements they shows +2 charge, that is it can form easily divalent cation, and generally here magnesium, calcium, barium, strontium, they form different type of compounds with anion having -1. And also accept that also Cu plus 2, Zn plus 2, Cu plus 2, Zn plus 2, these are very important cations. Also Fe plus 2, Fe plus 2, Zn plus 2 and Cu plus 2, these are the very important cations. They form compounds with monovalent anion. Then come to anions. What is anion? That are acid radicals. Now here we are taking monovalent anion. That is why it is having -1 charge, and that is called acid radicals. And now we are going to start the compounds which are divalent cation and monovalent anion. Now see the magnesium chloride. The magnesium chloride means magnesium plus 2. Also remember magnesium belong to second group in periodic table, Mg plus 2 Cl minus. I told how to how to form the compound. Here 1 comes to here, 2 comes to here. That is why it is MgCl2. So it is MgCl2. And similarly calcium, that is having also belongs to group 2 elements in the periodic table and having +2 charge. Hydrogen sulfide having -1 charge. HSO4 -1, Ca plus 2. So 2 comes to here, 1 here. That is why what is the actually formula? Ca whole 2. CaHSO4 whole 2. Why whole 2? Because the 2 for HSO4. That is why you can say CaHSO4 whole 2. Next example, barium hydrogen carbonate. Actually this is also called bicarbonate, but nowadays it is very important. It is known as hydrogen carbonate having -1 charge, where barium Ba plus 2 that belongs to second group. It is very good metal, and here it gives barium. 1 comes to here, 2 comes to here. That is why the compound formula is BaSCO3 whole 2. Always you say whole 2. So again remember this part 4, that is for divalent cation with monovalent anion, and here magnesium, calcium, barium, all the metal belong to second group, so they are having +2 charge. And chloride -1, hydrogen sulfide HSO4 -1, SCO3 -1, And now you can see here 2 will come to this anion side, 1 will come to metal side. That is why these are the formula respectively: MgCl2CaHSO4 whole 2 BaSO3 whole 2. Next we will see other examples also which are formed by the help of magnesium, calcium, barium, strontium also, and also copper Cu plus 2, Zn plus 2, remember, and that last one Fe plus 2. We will see one by one here. Next example you see copper nitrate. Copper nitrate means indirectly indicates plus 2. Generally copper has two valency. One is plus 1, that is called cuprous, and other one plus 2, that is called cupric. Generally copper nitrate means cupric nitrate, and here Cu having plus 2, NO3 that is minus 1, so the formula is CuNO3 whole 2. Zinc nitrite, one is nitrate, that is NO3 minus 1, other one is nitrite, that is NO2 minus 1. So here zinc has plus 2 charge, so 2 comes to here. So what is the formula? Zinc NO2 whole 2. Whole 2 means zinc has 2 charge, the 2 charge comes to here, to the NO2. Ferrous hydroxide, ferrous is plus 2, ferric that is plus 3, and ferrous hydroxide Fe plus 2 and OH minus 1. So it should be FeOH whole 2. Then come to magnesium bromide. Magnesium plus 2, bromide you know Br minus. So 2 comes to here, that is magnesium bromide. Strontium iodide. Strontium means Sr. It belongs to second group. And here plus 2 I minus 1. And so the formula is SrI2. Barium nitrate. Ba plus 2 NO3 minus 1. Barium also belongs to plus 2 group in periodic table. So the charge is plus 2. And so the formula Ba, how can you say? Ba NO3 whole 2. That means Ba plus 2, the 2 comes to here and minus 1 comes to here. So the formula Ba NO3 whole 2. Calcium permanganate, you know permanganate MnO4 minus 1, manganate MnO4 minus 2, but we require only minus 1 charge is cation. That is why MnO4 minus 1, that is permanganate, and calcium, that is 2. So the formula becomes to CaMnO4 whole 2. Magnesium hydrogen sulfide. This should be 3. It should be 3 and it should be also 3 because I told hydrogen sulfide. Sulfide means HSO3 minus 1. And magnesium sulfide, hydrogen sulfide means MgHSO3 whole 2 because magnesium charge is plus 2, and that is why you put 2 to HSO3. So the formula becomes MgHSO3 whole 2. Again see copper nitrate, very easy. Copper nitrate means with brick and plus 2. Zinc means Zn plus 2. So remember these are the transition metal elements. Anyhow, when you will go to higher class in EG, how the variation of the charges plus 2 plus 3 like this. And here ferrous, they are not belong to any second group, they belong to transition metal group. So anyhow you will remember this, Fe plus 2OH minus FeOH whole 2. Similarly magnesium bromide MgBr2, hope it is clear. Strontium plus 2, so SrI2. Barium NO3, barium BaNO3 whole 2. And calcium permanganate, that gives CaMnO4 whole 2. Similarly hydrogen sulfide HSO3 whole 2. I hope it is clear to all about the different type of inorganic compounds that are used in chemistry lab, also in chemistry class, and also for the higher class that is 11th, 12th also, they are very much important and required when we read the chapter. That is why you should try to make any different compounds, and in coming video I will explain other compounds just like lead compound and other compounds. You will see here how they form different compound. Nickel also plus 2, manganese also plus 2 charge, and how they form different compounds, and also with our group 2 elements, how they form the compounds we will see in coming video. I hope it is clear, and please subscribe my channel BL the short and sweet in chemistry. Also like and share my channel. Thank you all again. Thanks.